Welcome back everybody to another video. We're here with this 2020 Ford Explorer ST. We're doing the Steeda rear subframe bushings inserts. They're the aluminum version. So we're gonna put those in the back. We're gonna have to drop the subframe a little bit, slide them in there with our widow fingers, and then bolt it back together. So I'm gonna take you through step by step, show you all the tools, everything you need. And like, share, subscribe, put some comments below, help me out with this stupid algorithm. Subframe bushings are 555-4462. Made in America. This is what you get. You get 4 baggies with 2 of each style insert. So we're going to go through and install all of these. Step 1, jack up the car. Take the back wheels off. I'm on the back driver's side. Here's a muffler. There's the first bolt that holds the subframe. This side, here's the second one. And then you have the same thing on both sides. We have brackets here that actually cover that, so that's a thing. And then we have heat shields that get in the way, and they're connected to the subframe too. So first thing we're going to do, 10mm, remove this one. You have another one on the other side. This one, 10mm, take that off. Then over here you have a 10mm here that takes this off because there's a bolt way up in there. So we need to be able to push this out of the way to get to that bolt. I'm back here on the driver's side again. We're going to take these off here. Wait, 13mm there. And then since we have that 10 out, don't mind the Sahara coming down on me. You take this one out as well. So you take 3 13mm out of both sides. Here's the other side. I'll take all 6 of those out. We have a similar bracket on the back side. So under the heat shield, there's the big bolt. And then you come across and there's 2 13s here. So we're gonna take these out. And the same thing on the other side. Take a 24mm, I'm on the passenger side. Front, I am supporting the subframe, so all the pressure's not on the threads as I'm removing the bolt. Just take this bolt all the way out. I still have the subframe supported, but we need it to get a little lower. So we're gonna do this side, bring this side down. Actually, I'll just take the bolt all the way out. Now we have enough gap up top on both sides to put the insert in. I can actually lower it a little bit too with this if I want, if it doesn't fit, but yeah, I think the gap's pretty good. This smaller one is the rear top, and so you're gonna find it should only really fit in one way, and it fits right inside of the factory bushing. So just slide this guy in like so, and then we're gonna start that bolt like 2 threads. The 2 circular inserts go on the front, and the thicker one, there's a thinner one and a thicker one. The thicker one is the top. So all we're gonna do here, slide this guy in and give it a nice little push. Get it lined up. And it'll seat it 100% once I put the bolt in and screw it up. And the thinner one goes on the bottom. There's nothing to hold it there right now, so I'm going to use 2 hands to put the bolt in. But yeah, this just sits in there like that. We got the big bolts with the inserts started. Now we want to go, obviously we need to line up all this crap here. So we're going to start these 13mm ones again on this side. Just get them started for now. And then you got the 3 over here. See, none of it's lined up. So we're going to line all that up. Now that we got these little ones started, we want to line up all the dust marks, like the rub marks from the last installation. And then I jacked up the subframe so it touches. And I lined up the bottom one. And first thing we're going to do is tighten down this bolt. And then you're going to tighten down the 13s after. These are all tight with the impact, but I'm going to torque with a big torque wrench next. So we're going to move this jack to back here. We're going to jack up the subframe pretty much like right here, or this bottom of the control arm, whatever. Just enough to get it to touch. Then we're going to do the same thing here. Line up the dust marks, right? We can't do this outside one first because of having to use a ratchet wrench because of the exhaust. So I'm going to ratchet wrench this one kind of tight so it doesn't wiggle around a lot. Then come over here, tighten this one down, and then put this last one in. Passenger side all tightened up again. So now we're doing the driver's side, same thing. Support it, make it easier to get the bolt out. Still supporting the front, like I said before. Take out the back one. Subframe's too tight, so I'm gonna spin the jack here until it comes down right about there. That's plenty of room to get your inserts in. So same thing on this side. Go around torquing the shit out of everything. These ones are pretty tight. I damn near pulled my bicep muscle trying to tighten that one. So get everything nice and tight. Then you're gonna put together those 10mm again here. You're gonna reline up this thing in the carpet. The carpet goes on top of that, and this goes over this stud. Do that on both sides, and then this job is done. Thanks for watching another video, everybody. Hopefully this video saved you some money. Hopefully my steps were detailed enough for beginners to do, and hopefully you're happy with it. So if you are, like, share, subscribe. Till next time, wrench on.